Hare Krishna Prabhu, Dandavat Pranam. Prabhu, there's another question that's running in my head. Prabhu, humans' intelligence are the highest, right? Compared to all the other living beings, that dogs, cats, and trees, and whatever. Okay, so now if our intelligence is so high that we are supposed to connect to God, because with that intelligence we're supposed to connect with God, but of course we are misusing it. We are covered with Maya. We are covered with three modes of material. But the thing is, these animals, they don't have that intelligence, right? But how come they know if a disaster is going to happen, like tsunami or earthquake, or whatever? They can sense it, but we can't. They can sense it, and they can sense it, and they just take shelter. They'll run away, but we can't. We'll just sitting there and enjoying ourselves and whatever whatsoever. And of course, they can see the souls, the spirit souls that walking past. They can see ghosts. I do not know whether they can see God or not. In that form, they can see, they howl, the dogs will howl, the cats will know, it will it will react some kind, of birds will fly away. When a person is going to die in that house, they say, in the Purana says that the crows, the birds will fly away, the cows will get loose and run away, the dogs will howl. So they can sense it, they can feel it. Why we can't? Is it we are too much into Maya, or are we not? Are we being too ignorant? But at the end of the day, we have the high intelligence, right? Then how? Why we can't sense this all? Why? This is. This also another question that I really need to clear for myself, Prabhu. Could you please answer this? Thank you, Prabhu. Hare Krishna.
So, Hare Krishna, this question about animals being more intelligent than humans, because animals are able to sense dangers, ghosts, death, and so on. So, we are supposed to be the more advanced species, then why can't we get this sensing? So, actually, this is not about intelligence. Animals also have intelligence, we don't deny. Like, for example, a cat would know when to enter the house when nobody is around. The cat, with a flip of the paw, will try to open up the latch. So, animals do have intelligence. But these, what we're discussing here, are skills. Just like an eagle can see from hundreds of miles away, a cheetah can actually measure the speed of the prey it's going to catch. If it's going to outrun it, it will catch it. If it cannot outrun it, it will not catch it. It will not waste its energy. Turtles would swim thousands of miles away but again return to the place they took birth just to give birth again. How do they have? They have these abilities. This does not make them really intelligent. Because as we know, every animal in terms of skills can outdo humans. All animals can do better eating, sleeping, mating, and defending than us. Like that verse comes in Mahabharata. Ahara nidra bhayamaitunam cha samanyametat pasubir naranam. The similarity between humans and animals is they are also eating, we eat. They sleep, we sleep. They also fear and defend, we also fear and defend. They also engage in maitunam, meaning sex life, and we also engage in such sex life. This is samanyam, this is the equal. But of course, in these things, animals are better than us. But what is our speciality? The next line says, Dharmo hitesham adhika vishesho dharme hina pashubir samana. Dharmo hitesham adhika vishesho. The adhikam vishesham, the extra special, adhika vishesham. The extra special thing about humans is that we have dharma, meaning we have the ability to inquire, whereas animals worked on instincts. Both have intelligence, but animal work on instinct, whereas we have the ability to inquire. We can ask why. Why am I suffering? Why am I born like this? Why am I dying although I don't want to die? Why do I get sick although I don't want to get sick? So we can ask these questions. We can actually think and inquire. Animals do not inquire, they react, right? It's an instinct. The animal uses its intelligence just to get food, uses its intelligence just to get away from danger, uses its intelligence just to sleep better, to have better mating. So therefore the shloka says dharmo hitesham adhiko vishesho. The actual extra special thing is not that we can sense danger, not that we can sense ghosts, not that we can see death coming. That is not our specialty. The speciality of human life is that we can inquire why we have taken birth, why we are suffering, why we are dying, where is the actual life. We can actually see Maya and we can learn and understand how to get out of Maya. Dharmena hina pashubir samana. If we do not practice this dharma, this Bhagavad Dharma, then we are just like animals. Right? So, therefore, just having skill sets does not make them better than us. The real thing, which what makes us human or what makes us better, is our ability to inquire about the existence of life, to see Maya, see illusion, and get out of this world and enter into the real life. Right? That is the Vishesham, that is the special thing about human form. Hare Krishna.